London Heathrow Terminal 5.
Hi, we've just checked into our King Junior Suite and this is a stunning room.
Let's take you round.
Chloe's quite excited.
So, this is where me and Harley will be sleeping tonight. We've got a nice double bed. And then, if you look over here, there's a perfect view of the runway. You can see all the planes are T5 taking off.
So there's some quite cool features in this room. And we start off, we've got the Bose sound speaker system, which is all in here. And there's also a mini bar. And this is complimentary in the King Junior Suite. And it is nice to have a separate dining area. So we have got a nice table and chairs here. Some lovely Love Cocoa chocolate and complimentary water. And for anybody who does like a coffee machine, we've got an espresso coffee machine with the pods, and also some normal tea and coffee and kettle area. So the door does separate the two rooms. So this is the main room here.
Hello.
With the lovely Chloe. We have a beautiful king bed. And we have a nice relaxation area here, which Holly's demonstrating. And so there's lots of room here, 2 desk areas, USB charging points, and I noticed as well the hair dryer is located in the drawer here.
If you follow me this way, to the bathroom, or the main bathroom. So first you have a nice shower with some Balmain toiletries, very fancy. You also have a shower and some jets. Then you have the sink, toilet, and the massive bathtub with a TV.
Oh, I think that will be a good use of relaxing before a flight.
Yes.
I think if you do really want to up the luxury before you go on holiday, the Sofitel is the only hotel at Terminal 5 that does link onto the airport terminal. So that is really worth noting in mind. And if you just want to chill out in luxury, it's a great place to stay before your flight.
There's also one more thing to show you.
Oh, we do have somebody hiding here. There is a wardrobe. And
So-
there's complimentary robes for your stay.
You have an ironing board in case you have like a really creased t-shirt.
And this one is the other bathroom, where there's a toilet, sink, and also more Balmain toiletries. Thank you for looking at our room tour. Keep updated for our travels to our trip to Paris. Bye!